Hawak natin right now guys is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. And this, normally sasabihin ko sa inyo na okay na tong device na ito. It's a flagship level performance. For me hindi mo naman kailangan siguro gumastos ng sobra-sobra like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, no? And this is for me a good variant na, no? And meron ba siya Snapdragon 8 Elite, maganda rin kanyang cameras, etc. etc. Which malalaman nyo naman sa aking full review, no, on what I think about these devices. So inside meron kang cable and of course manuals and of course a SIM ejector tool and yung device itself. Siyempre alam na natin tara Samsung, walang charger. So kanyang tatlong camera bump dito. And pilasin lang muna natin. Yan, ganito itsura niya. So this is how it looks like dito sa likod. I have here is the online exclusive color, blue-black, and aluminum frame siya. No? Yan, aluminum armor 2, tawag niya. Dito sa ilalim. And pag swipe up mo, ganito itsura niya. Manipis ang kanyang bezel and malining kanyang camera bump, honestly. No? Siyempre, pag swipe mo, smooth na smooth, bago pa di ba? So, one of the good things dito sa kanya is yung kanyang Galaxy, yung kanyang AI eraser, no. Ganito itsura ko, no. Nung tinakpan ko kalahati mukha ko. And nung generate niya, ganito lumabas. Pero pa may sungay pa dito sa likod ko, which is nakakatawa, no. So I'm not quite sure kung bakit may sungay dito sa likod ko, nakakatawa. So, medyo ibang mukha ko dito. Though it's better than the nakuha ko sa S25 Ultra, no, medyo ibang-iba talaga mukha ko doon, no. Ito medyo parang inelongate ang mukha ko. Pansin ko lang medyo mas mukha akong kontrabida dito as compared sa talagang tunay na mukha natin, no. And honestly, the camera is good, no. Both sa front and back is good. It can give you a good gaming performance dito. I was able to give it a good give me a good gaming experience. Ito score, no, sa Antutu benchmark, which medyo hindi ganun kataasan. Sa 8 Elite, I was expecting a 2.2 million points. Pero ito lang nakuha natin dito, no. I've tried 3-4 times dito. Inulit-ulit natin. And sad to say, yun lang nakuha natin. And pakita ko lang sa inyo quickly ang kanyang battery performance, no. It can give you roughly a 12 hours and 30 minutes na screen on time. So, as far as concerned, okay naman ang kanyang battery life. And if you want to know more about itong device na ito, Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, follow me para sa aking full review dito and sa YouTube.